Hello, I'm gonna show you a tutorial for lightning. It's not the best lightning, but yeah, it's better than nothing. First, you need a clip that you have a hand that shows that you can have a lightning out, that pops out the lightning of it. Then, go to media generators and noise texture. Then go down till you find the lightning and press it over it. There. And you can change color, and I want my color to be blue and black background. And of course I got to fix progress in degrees to maximize it. Yes, and then I'm gonna find where my hands take out so I can shoot the lightning out. So it starts like there, there, there. And then you need to have this on the screen. And then just put this longer back. Then find where I want it to stop. There. And then go to event pan crop, and you need to turn this around so it's like this. And turn that around and move the lightning in so it does fit the hand. And my start is like that. Now you gotta do this every frame. Now, gotta remember, if you don't be accuracy, then it won't be nice, it won't be smooth. So, it's just to get the start of the lightning in the hand. Now just do this till you have taken every single frame, and I will just show when I'm finished. Now this is how mine turn out, and if you sometimes missed lighting of the hand, then just go in event pan crop and fix it. And here's how mine got out. Now, when you're in event pan crop, I will not recommend to rotate the lightning, because when sometimes it can be annoying to see lightning go up and down and rotating all the time by going up, and yeah, it just looks very stupid. And now for the sound effect, if you want it, go to www.findsounds, mabye.com. Now it's just gonna load. And if you don't want AIFF or then just uncheck this box. And now search for electric. It's probably will stand here, or just type it in. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and rate. Yeah, bye bye.